Hello students, welcome to Coding Treasures. Today we are going to discuss about tell and seek methods. Just imagine a file pointer is like a traveler moving through the file. It starts from the very beginning, nothing but the 0th position of the file. As it moves from character to character, it reads the content of the file. At any moment, you stop the file pointer and ask, "Hey, where are you now?" So the file pointer stops there and tells you that I am at this particular position. That's what a tell method does. So the tell method tells you the current position of the file pointer inside a file. Look at the example here. In this example, the tell method returns an integer value 4 because the file pointer is at 4th byte from the beginning. Now, how to move the file pointer from the beginning of the file to the 4th byte? So look at the code. We can write obj.seek of 4. So we are using seek method to move the file pointer to a specified location. Shall we rewrite the same code? We can write it as obj.seek of 4, 0. The 4 is the number of bytes to be moved by the file pointer and 0 represents beginning of the file. Okay, now you want to move your file pointer from 4th byte to forward. How is that possible? So we can write a code as obj.seek of 3, 1. Here 3 represents the number of bytes to be moved by the file pointer and 1 represents, so from current position the file pointer should be moved. So what is the current position? So we know that current position is 4. So let's see how it works. Okay, now you want to move your file pointer from the end of the file backwards. How is that possible? Okay, we can write the code as object.seek of -3, 2. In this example, -3 represents a number of bytes to be moved backward by the file pointer. Here 2 represents end of the file. Let's have a theoretical explanation about tell method and seek method. Tell method, it returns the current position of the file pointer in the file. It returns the current position of the file pointer as an integer value. So the syntax is file object dot tell. Seek method, it is used to move the file pointer to the specified location. So look at the syntax. File object dot seek of offset, a reference point. The offset is the number of bytes the file pointer to be moved. Reference point is the location from which the file pointer should be moved. Now look at the significance of reference points. If the value of reference point is 0, it represents the file pointer should be moved from beginning of the file. If the reference point is 1, it represents that the file pointer should be moved from current position. If the reference point is 2, it says that the file pointer should be moved from end of the file. If the offset is a positive value, the file pointer will be moved forward. If the offset is a negative value, the file pointer will be moved backward. So we have a file. The name of the file is file2, which is located in a folder my file. The my file is located in D drive. I am going to open file2 with the help of an object. Obj is equal to open, we have to write D drive, my files, file2.txt. I am going to open it only for performing reading operation. Go to the file, see the content. So we have 3 lines in the file. So I am going to get the location of file pointer obj.tell. We have just opened the file so that the file pointer is at 0th location. Now I am going to move this file pointer using seek method. I'll write move to 4th byte from the beginning of the file. So if you are not passing any argument for reference point, it will consider by default as from beginning. So if you don't pass any argument to the seek method for reference pointer, it will take by default as 0, nothing but from the beginning of the file. So here I am not passing any argument, so that it will move the file pointer from beginning to 4th location. Now I am going to read the content obj.read. It is reading from 5th byte. Okay. Now if you just read again, it will print empty string. So how to go back to the beginning of the file? I will write obj.seek of 0. So we are moving to beginning of the file. I write obj.read of 10. It reads 10 characters. Now I will write obj.tell. So the file pointer is at 10th byte. I want to move the file pointer from 10th byte to 14th byte. So I will write here 4. I should move 4 bytes from the current position. What is the reference point? Here it is 1. Let's see whether it is working. It is not working, because for seek method only the reference point 0 will work for text file, because I have opened this file as text file. So the reference point 1 and 2 will work only for binary files. So let me close this and open the same file in binary mode. So how to open a file in binary mode? We have B, right? I will open this file only to perform reading operation in binary mode. So I can write RB. File is opened. Now you write obj.read of 4. Okay. So it has read 4 characters. Now obj.tell. So it says that the file pointer is at 4th location. Now I want to move the file pointer from 4th location to 8th location. So I will write 5, 1. It will move the file pointer 4 byte forward from the current location. Now look at this. The file pointer is at 8th location. obj.read. Okay, it is reading from the 9th byte. Now I want to read the content from the end of the file. So from end, I want last 5 characters. So I'll write -5, comma. What is the reference point? A reference point is 2. Now I will write obj.read. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters are there. I hope you understood tell method and seek method. In the next class, we will be discussing about binary files. How to perform operation on binary files. If this video is helpful, kindly like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.